Want to scrape eBay using Python but don't know where to start? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire eBay web scraping process so you can easily get the product data you need. Oh, and I'll share a key tip to avoid getting banned. But before we dive into this Python web scraping tutorial, make sure you hit that like button if you want more tips on avoiding IP bans in web scraping. Why scrape eBay? As one of the biggest marketplaces in the world, eBay is packed with tons of valuable data just waiting to be collected. You can use this data for market research to track trends and consumer behavior, competitor analysis to see what other sellers are doing, price monitoring to adjust your pricing strategies, product availability tracking to follow stock changes and upcoming trends, and much more. And with Python, you can automate this process and build a dedicated eBay web scraper that adapts to your needs. The best part? eBay barely hides any information behind login pages, so you can easily scrape product listings, seller profiles, eBay search results, and even homepage data. Just make sure you check eBay's terms of use to avoid violating their policies. Now let's see how to start scraping eBay with Python. Just follow these steps and you'll be extracting data in no time. I'm assuming you already have Python installed on your device, but if not, you can easily download it from python.org. You'll also need an IDE like PyCharm Community Edition, which is free and has all the necessary features. Once you have that set up, open the IDE and start a new project. Then install the libraries you'll need for eBay web scraping. Open up the terminal and run this command. Requests lets you send HTTP requests to eBay while BeautifulSoup passes HTML and extracts data. Next, import the libraries into your Python script by running this command. Now let's scrape eBay search results. Send a get HTTP request to the eBay search results page you want to scrape and store the response text into a soup object. For example, let's say you're scraping listings for laptops. Once the page loads, BeautifulSoup will pass the HTML so you can easily extract information. Now analyze the response text. Since search results contain multiple listings, loop through them with the following code. Not sure what this means? Let me break it down. This creates a set of all objects with the name li and the class S item, which represents the individual product listings in the search results within eBay. It also starts the loop to extract the necessary information like the title and price. This searches for the product title by looking for the div tag with the S item _ title class and checking if it contains a span tag with the actual title text. This stores the title texts in the span tag and sets a default value no title available if no title is found. Use the same process for extracting product prices from eBay or any product data stored on the search results page. Now let's take it a step further and extract more details like the seller info, shipping costs, and pricing from individual product pages. Define a function to scrape details from an individual product page to keep things clean and reusable. Then extract all the specific details you need from the product page. Here's how. Each of these parts extracts a specific type of information. For example, this part extracts the primary price in euros. Let me explain what happens here. This searches for the section that holds the primary price. If it's there, it saves it for later use. This grabs the actual price from the saved section and sets a default value, no primary price available if no price is found. So that's just one example, but you can check out the full code in the video description below to see how to scrape other details from product pages on eBay. Also, don't forget to avoid overloading eBay servers by waiting for 2 seconds before scraping the next product with this code. The full Python code in the video description below includes both the function to scrape details from an eBay product page and the function to scrape information from eBay's search results page. To keep your scraped data structured and ready for analysis, use the pandas library. Remember the key tip I promised? Here it is. Using proxies for web scraping helps you avoid captures and IP bans, while adding a small delay between requests helps. It's not enough for large-scale scraping. With over 32 million ethically sourced residential IPs in over 195 locations, unlimited concurrent sessions, and non-expiring traffic, IPRoyal ensures uninterrupted, cost-efficient scraping. Ready to scrape eBay without getting blocked? Head to IPRoyal.com and get the best proxies for seamless scraping. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on automating data collection without detection, and hit the bell icon.